Hey family, it's Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. I'm going to be making some deviled eggs today. It's my new improved recipe. I'll link the old video I have, my old recipe for deviled eggs, so you can look at them both and do a comparison. So come along, and I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Okay, in this bowl I have the yolks of 18 large eggs, and I use my fork to break them up. Now I'm going to start adding the ingredients. This is some melted butter. Well, it's softened. I didn't really melt it all the way. I softened it in the microwave. And this is salted butter. In the recipe that I'm using, the backbones of it is from Martha Stewart. Now I'm adding some Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I'm eyeballing these measurements for the most part. But I will link Martha's original recipe in the description of this video. Now I'm going to add some yellow mustard. Again, I'm eyeballing it. This is cream of tartar. This is something that my mom used to put in her deviled eggs. So when my sister told me about it, I started putting it in mine. And again, eyeballing it. And this is the new and improved part. Pickle juice. It adds some more tang. Some people put pickle relish, sweet pickle relish. I like the pickle juice. Now I'm going to add some pepper. I add pepper to where I will actually see the black pepper in the mixture. I like to see my seasonings. I started out with just a couple pinches of salt because again I did use salted butter. Now I'm going to mix all this together. And deviled eggs is one of those recipes that you need to taste test as you're making it, which I did, and I decided I needed some more tang, so I'm adding some more pickle juice and some more mustard. You have to taste this mixture and you get it to either the creaminess or the tanginess or whatever taste you're going for. That's why you have to taste it as you go along so you can get it to the taste you're looking for. And I decided to add a couple more pinches of salt too after the taste test. Now we need to add all this together, and by mixing it together, incorporate it into the mixture. And when I tasted it, that was the taste I was going for. So now I'm getting my Ziploc bag together. My little Ziploc holder I got off of Amazon. I'll link that in the description of the video as well. It holds your bags open so you can pour batter, or in this case the deviled egg mixture, into the bag without the bag falling down or over. I used to spoon my mixture into the eggs when I'm making deviled eggs, but man, oh man, of Chevys, doing it this way using a Ziploc, and you just cut the corner there and you squeeze it in. It's much quicker, easier, cleaner. See how it just creams right out into the egg? It goes much faster. Getting the red bowl out of the way. Now I've got to add the mixture to the other set of eggs here. I did add the rest of the mixture to the bags. Now I'm just going over and using up the deviled egg mixture, filling in the eggs that need a little bit more. Now I'm sprinkling paprika. I use regular paprika. I've not used smoked paprika. If you have, let me know if you like that flavor or if you prefer just regular paprika. That's what we grew up on, was regular paprika. There's the finished product. Well, that's it, family. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you guys put in your deviled eggs? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out, and I appreciate that so much. I'm also going to link some other videos from the channel for you to watch as well. Until the next one, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.